Stroke treatment at home.
Eating ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is used to treat stroke. It aids to prevent the blood clots from growing and increases the blood stream to the brain. The herb has been proven to inhibit the free radical formation.
Eating turmeric. Turmeric is one of the home remedies on how to treat stroke that you and my other readers should know and make use of it for good. Many studies say that the compound curcumin containing in turmeric can reduce the formation of blood clots.
Turmeric is a key ingredient in cooking and may be found in most of the curry spice blends. You should consider eating more curry dishes to reduce and even treat your stroke.
Eating carrot. Consumption of carrots can reduce risks of stroke. Women who eat 5 servings of carrots per week suffer 68% fewer stroke risk than those who eat carrots less than 2 times a month. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and other essential carotenoids.
So, eat more carrots to see how to treat stroke naturally. They are great as snacks, especially the baby carrots. Add them to vegetable soups or make carrot juice. In case you want to do better, add some pieces of garlic and ginger in order to provide them with zest.
Using pigweed. Some experts think that pigweed can prevent stroke as it can reduce the risk of heart attack. While there are biological similarities between heart attack and ischemic strokes, pigweed is a great plant source of calcium. Use young leaves in salads or steam more mature leaves.